What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showcasing you how to use the Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 17 series on the latest iOS 26 variant. So let's get started. The first thing is that you are going to open up your settings and then you want to connect to internet through either your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. I will recommend Wi-Fi will work best for you. After that, in your settings, scroll a bit further, you are going to see Apple Intelligence and Siri. You are going to go ahead and click on that, and this is where the Apple Intelligence toggle is available. So if you want to turn it on, just simply press the toggle button. What's going to happen is it's going to be downloading the support file for the Apple Intelligence. As it say here, connect to Wi-Fi and power. So make sure you also have the enough charge on your iPhone, at least a good amount of charge. If it's under 20%, you want to charge it while you are doing this. And you are going to wait for this to appear. Sometimes it might tell you to join waitlist depending upon if there is a waitlist. But you should see here it start downloading. And then you also want to make sure you turn on Siri if you haven't done. So click on Siri. You are going to either use the first option or the second option. And then we are going to go with the first one here, enabled Siri. Then press next, and on the next hit continue and basically go through the process. Siri, how is the weather? Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And now Siri is ready. And we are going to go ahead. If you want to share your recording, I usually don't, so press on continue. And now you should see Apple Intelligence here. Should be downloaded, ready to go. I can press and hold on this to go ahead and activate the Siri. Or if I don't, you can always go ahead and press the side button here. Or you can say, hey Siri. And as you can see, when the borders are lighting up here, essentially activate the Siri and it's processing with the Apple Intelligence. Now, if you don't see the borders and you see just the Siri icon, that means you haven't turned on the Apple Intelligence. So guys, that's how you can use this, and you can go ahead and start interacting with it and issues command like you should with the iPhone with this Apple Intelligence turned on with Siri. There is also a feature here with the ChatGPT if you wanted to use that as well, which can be a part of this. As you can see, your Siri and other features can use to answer questions. You can go ahead and set it up if you have this account. If you have a personal account, you hit next and then enable it and go through the process. Now, by default, it's going to be free one. It's a limit. And if you want to upgrade to the plus one, you can. And that will integrate with your phone. So guys, that is how you can enable the Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned. And you guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.